a separate component. Let's do that. Let's make a new component. We'll call it GitHub. I won't capitalize H. GitHub.js. And we'll have some state in here eventually. So I'll go ahead and make it a class. So import both React and component from React. Class GitHub extends component. Don't forget export default GitHub. Needs a render method, which will return some JSX. So I'll just put a div called GitHub in there. GitHub, now a component, just so I can prove that I'm getting the component and not the other thing. That's not what's going to go in here long term. So let's go back to app.js. Let's import GitHub from /GitHub. And then on my GitHub route here, instead of my render prop, let's say component equals GitHub. Let's see if it works. Yep. GitHub, now a component. So a route can either have a render prop, or you can have a component prop that points to a specific component. Okay, just a sec. I want to point something out here. So if you go to the GitHub component, click on your link, and look at the React DevTools, find your GitHub component, where first of all, you'll notice that browser, router history, all this stuff is there. Find your GitHub component, and notice that there are 3 props here: history, location, and match. So because we rendered this component by going through a route, it automatically gets these 3 props from React Router. We don't have to go to any trouble to make it happen. They're just there. So add GitHub. Whoa. Errant click there. Make sure I didn't break anything. No, everything's still fine. Cool. Add GitHub component.